Alright, check it out. Recognize this? Bed frames. Don't ever throw your bed frames away. Great angle iron. This is all bed frame. I built this. This is going to be for the welding cart, by the way. Off-road. It's just mocked up right now, but I had the wheels in here and then they were hitting. So I ended up having to spread them out further. That's how it's looking so far. Scrap metal. Hopefully now we can go a little off-roading. Alright, got her all done. Went ahead and had the wheels sitting right here. And they were hitting each other when I turned. So I had to widen it out more. So now it's nice and wide. That'll probably help too from it tipping. So I like the way it turned out. And I took some scrap metal, made kind of like a little, what do you call it, platform. Throw all my crap on. All scrap metal, bed frame. Now, spray a little bit of spray paint on it and we'll get the welder loaded on it. And hope you got it fits. Real quick paint job. Good enough. Keep it from rusting. Alright, let's get the welder on here. Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. This is one heavy freaking welder. Yes, it sure is. Alright, you can see how it digs into the mud. You cannot roll this around out on the grass or the gravel. Oh, I got this up in the air to get these wheels. I had Joshua help me get the back wheels off. We got that off. Now we're going to do this one. Ding, ding, ding. Well, I hope this new cradle I built works. All right, look at that. We got some more scrap metal. We'll hang on to that. We'll use it in another 20 years on something. I just know we will. Did you air up the other tire?
Yeah.
What's it?
It was at 46 and now it's at 50.
Okay.
The one down there was at 8.
Yeah. I must have got a nail in the tire or something. Alright, I'm going to need your help trying to get this welding cart on. I should have drug all this shit outside first. way. I don't know how the hell I'm going to get this on there. We got to lift it up somehow. I don't think I'm strong enough. Shit in the way, it's just in the way. Come hold this. Pull it down towards you. It's gonna be heavy. Make sure that cords stay out, or just make sure the cords are out of my way.
There you go.
Okay.
Are you gonna pull it back heel?
That's what I'm trying to do, son. It's in.
Nice.
Sweet. That turned out pretty good. Oh, you want to air up them tires? These little tires are... I forgot to air them up.
Why do you need that?
Can't tell. Read on the side and see where it says. Oh, 15.
15.
Yep, put 15 in them. Front and back. Well, it turned out good, guys. Thank you, Joshua, for helping me get it on there. That's a heavy son of a gun. Holy crap. Well, it just fit perfect. And now you can kind of see what I was talking about, making this tray so I can kind of throw all my junk on there. I'll probably weld me a handle right here that comes up and it tees so I can use it to pull. But let's just see how it does first. I'm going to get Joshua to air up the tires.
At 76.
What?
The thing on here says that was at 74.
Let me see. You gotta unhook it. Do you have it on PSI?
Yeah, I think so, PSI.
You got too much air in it.
I just plugged it in. I only put it in and plugged it once.
Whoa! You're gonna blow that tire.
I just put it on. I clicked the button once and put it on for like 2 seconds.
Let's do 20.
That wasn't my fault. It was already that nailed up.
Probably because the weld is so heavy. It's already squatting the tires. Now, this one didn't have no air.
Maybe it was that one because that where all the weight was, of course.
Maybe. Front. Do the front. That's the only one it was.
So 20 now?
20. I need to take this and go push it outside and push it around the yard and make sure it's going to work. You get to it?
Ow.
It's got to be on all the way.
I know, I'm trying to get it on.
Nope, it's off. You gotta turn it on. Turn that on. Don't push it yet. Now push it. Let off. Alright, push it just a little bit. Don't push it down. Give it a little, you're letting air out. Push it all the way down. Let off. Keep pushing it until it says 20. Alright, let it out just a little. There you go. Good enough. Alright. Oops, sorry. Alright, watch your leg. Alright, now we can see if this thing will push. Push it around. Okay. Now we can go right there and start welding. Sweet. Let's push it around. Make sure. Now, this is where I need my handle. That'll work pretty good. See if Joshua can even push this thing. See if you can push it, bub. Heck yeah, spinning it around. Heck yeah. Alright, now spin her around again. Uh-oh, now you got yourself in a pickle. Oh, he got it. Yeah, bring it about right here, son. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, right there. That'll work. That'll work, bub. Sweet. Alright. We're going to go start patch paneling, but check it out. That's going to work great for us. It's going to be so much easier. Where'd my bub go? Bub! Look at me. Thank you.
You're welcome. Like and subscribe.
I can't hear you.
Like and subscribe.
Please. Oh, there's just so much excitement in that boy. He is just full of energy. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.